All right, this video is how to turn on incognito search in your Google account. First, I'm assuming you have a Google account. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. Bam, cha-ching. Right, when it opens it up, it's in a mobile version of Google. And then at the very top, you have your icon way over here. You see that? All you have to do to turn on the incognito search is to press down and hold your icon. Bam, now I'm in incognito. So if you look, you've got your URL or your search window at the very top. You see that little arrow pointing, and you see that blinking blue line. That's where you're going to type. Of course, there's your keyboard. And as you can see, it's in incognito mode. And if you want to turn it off and get out of there, you just go right here and you turn this off by touching there. So anyway, if you do this, none of the search history will be available to anyone. It won't show up on your computer. You can search whatever you want. You can look at it, and nobody's going to know. To turn it off, all you got to do is just click right here. And you just go right back to this page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here. It's going to bring me to my original page. And then if I want to get out of this and go back, bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your iPhone and Google. Peace out.